Hello, a pleasant good afternoon po everyone nandito sa ating Pickup Center. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Ma-beauty pa rin? Gumaganda ba? Gumagwapo? Bumubuti ba ang inyong mga kalusugan? Payaman ba? Wow, ang ganda naman. At sa lahat ng, of course, ang ating Baguio Club Center dyan sa Cebu. Hello po, good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Naway masaya po kayo ngayon sa oras na ito. Ayan, so today, I will be sharing with you a pair of our beauty products. Based on my experience and reading and review of various materials about them. Okay, so they say that one of our best teachers are our experiences. Tama? Yes. So I will continue to learn this, especially about our products, that I can be responsible and successful at my personal platform honor. Okay, so my utmost desire to study our beauty products started with my skin problem. Okay, so dahil syempre po, iba't ibang skincare products na rin po ang aking nasubukan. Kagaya po ninyo, di ba? Nag-experiment kayo, ano yung hiyang sa skin nyo. Right? Okay. So, here, this is the cornerstone of our Atomy products, is absolute quality and absolute price. At wala na po kayong marinig na tagline sa ibang company, right? Na nagkiklaim na meron absolute quality at absolute price ang kanilang mga produkto. When we say absolute quality, means providing a quality that is unbeatable. So hindi ma-compare. Unbeatable at given a price point, while ito po yun, ang absolute price naman is offering the lowest possible price for a product of the highest quality. Alright, so this one po, our company combines the ideas of prestige, yung word na prestige. Mass market, accessibility, and prestige products to offer high-end quality at a mass market price. Yon. So, yung mga produkto natin, hindi lang sa, sabi nila, maganda yung mga price, mga products natin at mamahalin. So, they thought na mahal yung mga produkto kasi ang ganda kasi ng packaging, di ba? But here, ang target consumers natin ay lahat. Pangmaramihan, pangkalahatan. So that is yun po yung mass target natin. Yung lahat ng tao na nagtutoothbrush, nagtutoothpaste, naliligo, nagsusupplements, lahat-lahat. And here, when you open our website, this will be the main page. Ayan po. So by the way, pakitaas po ang makamay na nakapagbukas ng kanilang Atomy website. Lahat na po ba? Ayan. So, lahat na po. Okay, so Atomy is our online business. We must use our platform dahil business natin ito eh. Dito tayo kumikita. Tama po? So, kailangan ating gagamitin yan ang ating website lagi. So, sa hindi pa po alam gamitin yung website, lalo na po sa mga bago, tanungin niyo po yung sponsor nyo at magpaturo po kayo. Okay, sir. But before we dive in, may tanong po ako. Do you know what is the largest organ in the human body? Ang galing. Tama. It's our skin. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. So each inch of our skin is made up of 90 million skin cells. Imagine. And 650 sweat glands, 20 blood vessels, and 1,000 nerve endings. Kaya super sensitive po ang ating mga balat, ating mga skin. So, it is equally as important to take care of our skin as our other organs. Lalo na po, yung mga hindi masyadong gumagamit ng mga skincare, mamaya, tingnan natin. Okay? So we all know that as we age, hindi lang po ang edad ang tumatanda. Di ba po? So kasama din ang ating mga skin. And these are, kung makita nyo sa picture po, these are the zone care to reduce visibility signs of aging. So, ito sa forehead natin, sa eye area natin, sa mouth area, especially our neck. Ito po, these areas protect your youthful glow. Ayan. So, do you notice your skin is changing? Okay, so, pa-touch nga yung skin nyo. Okay, so ano na napapansin nyo? Malambot ba? Hindi ba rough? Hindi ba nagsasag? Yan, so, yun. So, na-notice nyo po, when you age, may mga fine lines, di ba? May makikita nyo around the eyes and the mouth, nagsasag na yung skin natin, naglalose na yung firmness, di ba po? So, or your skin, lahat po ang mukha natin, sometimes naglo-look dull and uneven skin tone. Yan. So, aging skin is more than just a cosmetic issue. It involves significant structural and functional changes that affect skin health and overall well-being. So, addressing these changes requires a holistic approach that includes proper cleansing, proper skincare, sun protection, and the very important is ating lifestyle. Yan, so minsan guilty tayo kasi hindi tayo natutulog ng maaga, unhealthy ang kinakain natin. Huwag niyong i-blame ang mga skincare ng Atomy na hindi gumaganda yung skin niyo, ha? Kasi lifestyle din po yan. Alright? Okay, so now, I will be presenting to you a solution in helping stop the clock in our skin aging. Ayan. So, first, our Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set. Alam ko paulit-ulit siyang tinuturo dito. So, bakit siya inuulit? Dahil, malay ko ba, ginagamit nyo na ba itong produkto na to? Oh, hindi pa lahat. Pakikitaas yung kamay na nakagamit ng ating Absolute Skincare Set. Absolute yan ha. Cell Active Skincare Set. Okay. Ayan, mga honest naman sila. Yung iba nagtatago. Parang dalawa, hindi sila sure. And we should be very proud of this product because it became the first to achieve 4 patented technology awards in the cosmetic industry. Wow, I'm so proud of this. The IR52 Jong Young Seal Prize, the NAP certification, the King Sejong Prize from the Korean Intellectual Property Office, and the next generation world-class product by the Ministry of Trade, Industry, and Energy. So all of these recognitions of our advanced and innovative technologies that are proof enough for us to say na meron tayong best skincare products. It's our Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Yan. And again, what makes our Atomy Cell Active Skincare Set the best? It's our cutting-edge technology. Ayan, so itong mga produktong ito, ipagmamalaki po natin ito. Kasi kung i-compare mo yung mga skincare doon na sobrang mahal, na umaabot ng 50,000 pesos, 60,000 pesos, and the effect is still the same. The same pa rin. Pero dito tayo sa atin na mura at maganda. Ayan, so these are the Atomy, ito po yung 6 system. This is actually includes the improved 4 technologies of our Atomy 6 system. So, dati po, wala pang Absolute. Sino po nakagamit ng Atomy 6 system skincare? Yan, so nakagamit din po ako niyan. And the same technology ang meron din po sa ating Absolute Cell Active. So first, our highly effective purification technology, which is a form of technology increases the concentration of active ingredients in herbal extracts. So itong ginagawa nito, it filters out the substances that cause oxidation during the drying process. Okay, so, and ensure the substances extracted remain concentrated with a high content of active ingredients. Kaya pala ang ganda, pati ang amoy niya, sobrang ganda. And, of course, one of the technology is fresh biotechnology, a unique technology that extracts a high concentration and content of active ingredients from fresh herbs collected on the same day. O, di ba? So, on the same day, kinokolekta po yung mga herbs na yan at pinoprocess agad. Kaya napipreserve po yung mga live enzymes, kaya tinatawag siyang bio. Buhay pa rin doon ang mga enzymes na yan. Yan. So, ang prosesong ito ay sinasabing mas pinapaganda at pinapabisa ang mga sangkap na nanggagaling sa mga halaman. And next is microfermentation technology. This is to improve our skin, yung absorption ng ating mga skincare, itong Absolute, which is a form of technology that utilizes microbial enzymes to ferment active ingredients. This finally break down the components to improve better absorption into the skin. And the other one is isa po ito na technology, itong concentrated micro-complex capsule. Improves the delivery active ingredients. Diba? Sobrang ganda. So hindi ko alam yung mga ganyan na mga technology na yan. Pero nung nakita ko, kaya pala, nagkaroon siya ng award. Sobrang ganda ng teknolohiya na ginagamit dito sa mga ingredients. And this delivery system encapsulates both water-soluble and oil-soluble ingredients simultaneously in a single capsule. It enhances skin compatibility and improves absorption. So madali siyang ma-absorb sa skin. Kaya, pag ina-apply mo tong Absolute, in just a few minutes of time, makikita mo agad na nag-glow agad yung skin mo. Dahil na-absorb agad sa skin mo. Sige, sino po yung nag-facial sa mga potential partners nila? After nyo mag-facial, sobrang tuwa nila, di ba? Makita yung smile nila. Kasi, agad nakita nila yung result. Di ba? Nagagandahan agad sila sa skin nila. Now, let's take a look at this data. So, nakita nyo po? At ito ang patunay. Patunay na kung gaano kaganda ang ating produkto. So, in one of the clinical trials, it shows that using our Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set in 4 weeks time, resulted in a comprehensive improvements in skin issues. So nakita nila yung improvement, yung wrinkles sa eye area. Tama ba to? Okay. Ito nag-i-improve siya sa wrinkle around the eyes. Ang moisture, dati super dry yung skin niya. At nag-i-improve. And then, yung elasticity. Dati po, sobrang problema siya sa skin niya, no? But, nakita yung improvement agad. May facelifting effect. Wow, ang ganda. And it becomes thick skin density. So, hindi na ganon ka sagi ang skin niya. May density na nakita niya. And then, the skin tone has improved. Okay, so nakita natin yung effect agad sa skin natin. And according to PNK Clinical Research Center, there were 20 participants. Totoo po itong nangyari ha. Ito yung clinical research na ginagawa nila. So particularly women ages 35 to 55, they had seen amazing results. After 4 weeks of using Atomy Absolute Cell Active Skincare, wala sila sa atin. Same day lang ginagamit natin, may result agad. After the facial, nakita agad natin yung resulta, kagandahan ng ating skincare. But this one, siguro sa age, like 55 years old, syempre nakita nila na may kagandahan pa na ikalakalabas, di ba? Na kahit ganyang edad mo, pwede pa rin mag-improve ang ating skin. Their skin became more moisturized, 100%. And it became more healthier, 95%. And they felt that their skin had more glossy and radiance and became firmer and more elastic, 91%. Grabe, ano? Ang ganda-ganda ng result. And this one, what makes the skin beautiful? The radiance from vitality of the skin, yan po ang maibibigay ng Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Gagamitin nyo na po ba? Okay. Yes? Okay. So mamaya mag-purchase tayo. Inuubosin mo. Yes, magpo-purchase. Okay, ang tunay na ganda ng balat ay nagmumula sa natural na ningning. That is radiance. At sigla nito. Diba? Pag may radiance, syempre yung skin mo, healthy tingnan. Tama? Gusto niyo ba maging look healthy yung skin natin? Of course. Si nanay gusto ba? Hindi inaantok si nanay? Yes, you must try our Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set para magpatuloy siyang mag-glow ang skin natin. So here are the inclusions of our Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Ayan po, so meron tayong toner. Ayan. Alam niyo po ba, itong toner po para sa akin, nag-use akong toner dati pa hindi pa ako nag-a-atomy. But ito yung pinaka-the best toner na nagamit ko. Yung hydration ng skin ko, nag-improve talaga. At syempre, itong ampoule, napakaganda po. At serum, lotion, ito sunod-sunod na po ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, magkasunod nyo po yung gamitin. At magpapa-thank you yung skin nyo pag inaalagaan nyo with the Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Yan, so paano pa natin gamitin? Of course, we have to use first our toner. Our toner contains cell active code of 15% for brightening. So dati po dull yung skin nyo, nagkakaroon na ng brightening effect. So nakita mo yung wow, naglalighten yung skin ko, ang ganda. And it has a gel type light texture and fast absorption. At ito pa, it gives intensive hydration to your skin. So makikita mo yon na magkaroon ka ng plumpy skin. Parang bumabata ako ngayon. Ganun yung feeling nyo. Uy, ang ganda na ng skin ko. Di ba? And it also balances our skin pH level. So hindi nakaka-dry yung toner natin. Sa sobrang ganda nito, ay makikita yung improvement agad-agad ng skin nyo. Next is our ampoule. Alam nyo ba, when you use our Absolute Cell Active Skincare, you have to use first the thinnest to the thickest. Diba? So hindi dapat mauuna yung ating nutrition cream after the toner. So ito yung gagamitin natin muna. After the toner, gamitin natin itong special na blue na yan. So what's so special about our Absolute Ampoule? Ito kasi, it's a concentrated treatment that targets specific skin concerns. Kung may problema kayo sa skin nyo, like mga pimple scars, ayan, meron kayong, yun po yung kinukure niya, tinitreat niya. Yan, so pakita ko yung picture ko mamaya sa inyo. So our Absolute Ampoule infused with cell active that produce the aging effect. It diverse active ingredients deep into our skin. Ayan, mapepenetrate sa skin natin yan. And it improves our skin tone, texture, and elasticity. And also it boosts radiance and revitalizes dull skin. Yan, sobrang ganda, di ba po? And also here, ang ating serum. Yan, so marami pong nagustuhan din po ang serum. This is a lightweight formula packed with nutrients for skin repair and enhancement. And also, this is also concentrated serum that cares for inner elasticity. Yan, so madali po siyang mag-absorb sa skin natin. Kaya madali po makita natin yung nagpo-plump yung skin natin, naglalesen na yung mga ating mga, of course, lines dito sa eye area, dito sa ating laugh line area. So it targets fine lines, wrinkles, and even skin tone. And also, it firms up the skin at ito po, hindi siya greasy. Ayan po. And of course, this susunod po nating apply is our lotion. Face lotion. Sabi nga nila, akala ko body lotion kasi lotion. Hindi face lotion po yan. Our Absolute Cell Active Lotion helps to strengthen the skin barrier. A concentrated fluid to protect our skin. Siyempre, nagbibigay ng moisturizer, yung nagmamoisturize ng skin natin, and radiant. Yeah, yung radiance natin. So, completely quenches hydration of the skin. So, pag dati po, super dry yung skin mo, kahit anong tapal ng mukha mo na mga skincare, wala siyang improvement. But then, when you tried our Absolute, napakaganda na yung skin mo. Ayan. And of course, ito po, ang ating eye complex. Kung kayo po ay pagising nyo, nakita nyo po para na kayong Kung Fu Panda. Kasi nangitim na yung mata nyo. Meron pong solution dyan. Our Absolute Cell Active Eye Complex. It has a dual effect. Meron siyang whitening and wrinkle reduction. So kung marami kang mga lines dyan o lumabas na yung mga wrinkles natin, ito po ang maganda kasi nililesen niya. Hindi man siya perfectly magiging, kung 40 years old ka, magiging 20 ka. Walang ganun ha, hindi yan magic. Ini-improve lang niya, nililesen lang niya yon. Ayan, so reduce puffiness and dark circles. And of course, ang fine lines natin. And it hydrates also and protects the eye area and prevents signs of premature aging. Ayan. Lahat tayo natatakot sa aging, di ba? Ayaw nating magmukha tayong matanda. Gusto tayo magiging mukhang healthy at bata. Pero hindi bata ha, na magiging bata ka talaga. No, what I mean to say, healthy yung skin natin tingnan. And lastly is our Cell Active Nutrition Cream. It firms up and dropping. Yung nagda-drop na skin, ibig sabihin hindi na siya ganyan ka-firm. So nagsasag na yung skin natin. Yung mga lines natin, visible na siya, nakikita na siya. Malaking tulong po ang ating nutrition cream. It has a rich moisturizer that locks in hydration and nutrients. Ayan po. And it also strengthens our skin barrier. Yung skin barrier natin. Okay? And it keeps our skin soft, plump, and glowing throughout the day and night. Ayan. So kahit super busy ka. Ayan, sa buong araw. And then nakikita pa rin yung skin mo. Healthy pa rin yung skin mo. Hindi ako look tired. Hindi ako look haggard. Kasi I'm using Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set. Yan. And then this one, since kayo po ay gumagamit ng ating mga skincare, sayang naman kung hindi tayo magsa-sunscreen. Nag-skincare ka nga pero wala kang sunscreen. Ayan, so ito po, makikita nyo how important to use a sunscreen. This is my next product features po. So since you already understand the importance of taking care of our skin, our Absolute Cell Active Skincare Set, please don't forget to give extra protection from sun exposure. Kailangan natin protektahan yung skin natin sa init. Ayan po. So, dito sa Pilipinas po, safe naman po na kailangan natin ng vitamin D din naman. So, hindi kailangan na mag-hide kayo sa sun. May time po na pwede kayong lumabas na safe yung skin nyo. You can go out like 8 to 9, hindi masyadong mainit. May vitamin D na siguro yan. At least man lang kung magja-jog kayo, di ba po? So, hindi masyadong magpa-expose sa sun. And it's very essential to use a high-quality sunscreen pag tayo po ay lalabas. So I personally recommend our Absolute Essence Sun UV Protector. Bakit? Anong meron dito? Siyempre po, ito po. Bakit siya pinaka-importante ang sunscreen? Because the sun emits ultraviolet rays that can seriously damage your skin. So akala natin, nag-hide yung super cloudy paglabas mo sa bahay. Akala natin na okay na pala yung hindi na masyadong mainit eh. Uy, hindi pala. Meron pa rin, mag-iinit pa rin yan. Magkakakos pa rin yan ng melasma. So, kailangan mag-wear tayo ng sunscreen. Sayang kasing nabili natin na Absolute Skincare Set na nasasira lang pala yung skin natin dahil wala tayong sunscreen na ginagamit. Ayan po. So, nagkakaroon na tayo ng dark spots. Wala kang ginagamit na sunscreen. So, you have to use this. And of course, sabi nga, never let down your guard under. Did you know that cloudy days yung sinabi ko na ito po, pag ito'y na-scattered, yung sunlight through clouds, that cause the amount of UV rays to actually increase. Yan po. So, hindi lang yon. Akala natin UV ray radiation ay makukuha lang sa pagbabad natin sa araw. But even yung mga cellphones nyo ginagamit ngayon, lagi kayong nanonood ng Netflix. Lagi kayong nagsispend ng time sa panonood. Wow, ito po, kahit cellphone, nagkakaroon tayo ng radiation. Mainit, di ba? Kahit kayo nagluluto sa bahay, we still need a sunscreen. Ayan. Next, ito po. UV rays are the cause of skin stress also. It penetrates sa ating skin sa pinaka-aliliman, pinaka-deep sa skin natin, at it could cause aging. Yeah, careful po tayo. And the UVB rays damage the surface and cause sunburn. Yan, so hindi safe po na wala tayong sunscreen. So too much exposure without protection is also can cause skin cancer. Kaya, huwag kalimutan na mag-sunscreen. The smartest way to be free from UV rays is to protect your skin with a good sunscreen. So lahat po ba gumagamit ng sunscreen? Wow! Maganda yan. At least lahat tayo gumagamit. Sa mga hindi pa nakagamit, mag-purchase na po kayo. Use our Absolute Essence Sun UV Protector with SPF 50, PA++++. Ano bang meron yung ++4 na plus na yan? This one offers extremely high UVA protection. Yan, so making it the most robust defense against UV rays. Ayan, so kung makita yung sunscreen ginagamit nyo na hindi Atomy, nagkaroon lang siya ng SPF 35+, pero wala siyang PA+++, hindi po yan ganyan ka taas yung protection niya for making the most defense yung against sa ating UV rays. And of course, our Absolute Essence Sun offers a strong protection with nourishing effects in one. Ayan, so pwede natin yung bilhin. Ayan po, di ba ang ganda? Ayan, it has a dual protection from UV rays and UVB and moisturize. It also moisturizes our skin. So bibili na ba kayo? Of course. Ayan, so ito po yung ating ibang sunscreen din po. So depende po kung ano yung hiyang sa skin nyo. So meron tayong Dermas Calming Stick. Kung sensitive po kayo, pwede po kayong gumamit din yan. And also our Atomy Sunscreen, beige and white. Depende kung ano ang hiyang sa skin nyo. Okay, so take a look of this picture. Dati-dati po, pag nagme-makeup ako, ang ginagamit ko po yung sobrang tinatapalan ko yung mukha ko. Alam niyo ba yun? Para mukha siyang makinis. Actually, mukha ako makinis kung malayo, ano? At maganda naman talaga tingnan pag malayo. Noon po, ganun po yung aking, ako yung mindset. Gusto ko damihan akong ilagay. But, kung titingnan niyo po, dati, ganun kalalim po ang aking skin. So, marami akong pimple scar. Yun po yung aking mga malalim na pinagdadaanan noon. Okay? Yung mga tindi po ng aking pinagdadaanan. Ayan. So, sobrang pangit tingnan, di ba po? But, nakita ko po sa patuloy ko pong paggamit ng ating mga amazing Absolute products, unti-unti po siyang nagdi-disappear. Hindi siya lalong nawala na yung sobrang lalim ng mukha ko, yung mga pimple scars. At naniniwala po ako na sooner or later, I will have a younger looking, healthier skin. Basta patuloy lang sa paggamit. And this gives me a confidence to share with you our skincare products. Di ba po? You have a confidence to share our skincare pag tayo po mismo ang gumagamit ng produkto. Na-experience nyo ba na nag-facial kayo ng isang prospect nyo, pero nahihiya kayo kasi maganda pa yung skin niya sa'yo? Experience nyo ba yun? Yes. That is actually true kasi na-experience ko yan. Kaya hindi siya maganda kung gano'n. Dapat magpaganda muna kayo bago kayo mag-share ng ating skincare products. We have different varieties of skincare products and we must use it. Okay? Para mas confident kayo mag-share ng ating absolute quality products in Atomy. And I just hope that with our presentation ngayon, na meron pa kayong natutunan. And to conclude, let me just share these simple reminders, the importance of skincare. Ito yon yung prevention. Okay, kailangan nating alagaan. Of course, we have to fix future skin problems by using our daily face wash, itong ating evening care set. Siyempre, gamitin natin yan. Yun ang nakakatulong na magiging maganda yung skin natin. Makita nyo naman ang ating mga global leaders. Look at them. They continuously using the products. Kaya maganda yung skin nila. So, ganun din po tayo. And of course, our Cell Active Absolute Cell Active Skincare. You can use it. Pwede niyong gamitin. Pwede naman din po kung hindi kayo maka-afford for one set. You can buy toner and nutrition cream or ampoule. Makikita niyo na po yung improvement ng skin niyo. And then, we should also bear in mind that our skin sheds daily. Kung makita niyo po ngayon, maganda yung skin mo, hindi araw-araw maganda yung skin mo. Kaya kailangan mo siyang alagaan. Alright? And likewise, we must adopt to a daily skincare routine, which will motivate our overall healthy habits. Yan. So lastly, let us also remember that not every product and plan works the same for everyone. Tama po ba? So since we do have a lot of skincare products, let's find what works best for us. Kung ano yung mas maganda para sa skin natin. Okay? So thank you so much. Once again, this is Sharon Rose Master, Zelo Espiritu from Fairview Alegre Center. To God be the glory. Asha!